Melbourne Park hosts a lineup of iconic world-class experiences. From the Australian Open to international entertainment events, it all happens here. The Melbourne Park Redevelopment began in 2010 with a strong focus on sustainability. The design places a strong emphasis on the comfort of patrons and uses clever initiatives to reduce its environmental impact. It provides better access for pedestrians and public transport users, a total energy cost saving of 26.9%, a 17.7% reduction in gas usage, 25% reduction in water usage since 2008, and a 13% reduction in energy use during the Australian Open.
All of the Melbourne Park buildings that have been built so far have achieved LEED Gold ratings. LEED is an international certification building and community system that ensures the compliance of anything that is built with principles of sustainability. At the time when we started, Victoria was going through the biggest drought in its history. We collect pretty much all rainwater that falls in Melbourne Park from all surfaces that are hard. So from all the roofs, all the paved areas is collected and it goes to the raw water tank. We purify it, we recycle it, and we use it for toilet flushing and for irrigation. Melbourne Park has a very sophisticated irrigation system where every sprinkler is triggered individually and has evaporation systems that measure the dryness of soils, contributing to the sustainability of every building in the precinct.
We started the Rod Laver Arena refurbishment project back in 2015 and started construction on site in 2016. So it was delivered over 4 years. Some of the things that we've done are things like the zoning of the air conditioning system. That's something that it really focuses on patron comfort, and it means that the system can flex up and down depending on how many patrons are in the venue. So that makes it much more efficient for use of electricity and things like that. We've also upgraded the amenities as part of the refurbishment. So now all of the toilets use recycled water as part of the flushing, so that reduces the water consumption in the precinct in Rod Laver Arena. So in the car parks, there's CO2 monitors, so the fans aren't running all the time. We're taking a venue which was 30 years old when we started the project and giving it a new lease of life so that it can operate for Victorians for the next 30 years.
All of our buildings have double glazing. They have energy efficient lighting, electrical and mechanical systems. We also have a lot of venues, which means a lot of roofs, and wherever there's been a fixed roof space, we've installed photovoltaic cells to drive sustainable energy production. Tennis HQ is our administration building. It's got this long, narrow design that lets the natural light almost hit 100% of the floor plan. And then it has these giant eaves on each level, which provides protection from the glare for the staff working inside. It's really important for us, for all our guests who come to our precinct, to feel safe and welcome. And for us, that means lots of lights. We've used extensively LED lights. We also have motion sensors to control the use and save some energy. Centrepiece is our new conference and events centre. It's been designed with double glazing, with energy efficient lighting, electrical and mechanical systems, and water efficient fittings. Pathways through the precinct have been designed to make it easy flow for cyclists and pedestrians. We've built a number of new pedestrian bridges to provide that linkage to the nearby transport and back to the CBD. We are very proud of the sustainability initiatives we've put into this significant design and upgrade of Melbourne Olympic Parks, and we look forward to flowing all those benefits and more into how we operate the site for many years to come.
Well, those who remember Margaret Court Arena as one of the loudest, most atmospheric courts we've had, and the change with putting a roof on Margaret Court Arena has kept it as really one of those key venues in terms of how loud it is and the atmosphere in there. But from a sustainability perspective as well, made great changes. We used environmentally sustainable timber, recycled timber. We've got a roof that captures the water and harvests that water through our water harvesting system here at Melbourne Park. The roof itself retracts, and it's been designed in such a way that it reflects the sunlight and keeps the area cool inside, which minimises our need to air condition the venue. All the water systems within the arena are energy efficient, so they've got low flow systems, and for the Australian Open, when people come in summer, it's really important to have that canopy, the shade right across the site, and those green spaces really cool people down and just create a good environment during the event. The fact that this project is Gold LEED standard, well above most venues, sporting venues around the world, this last stage of the redevelopment is really exciting to be part of.
we are committed to being an environmentally responsible project, working to reduce water, waste and energy consumption. The Melbourne Park Redevelopment Project is a celebration of innovation and sustainability now and into the future.